Kipat rumait Hindu ki basa hakaleng ki jaka jong penang ba Shlong kila pendap ya kale niam Durga Puja ke jongki hapreng ki jing perking hapreng ki jing perking ya ki SOP pelapatha da sorkar namar ka jing saprang jong ka khlam jing pang covid khat khandai ka jing pengam ki pat rumait ya ka blai Durga hapo wa omkra pulu ka long ka beduna ba ya ka ba ki pat rumait kim sim lala banya lumbun namar ki ha banbut ki kendon Jongga Sorkar la yatho u nababata charji badai Presiden Jongga Central Puja Committee ringkat ke jinga don lang ujial das ubalong secretary Jongga Nega Committee ke jing pengam ya ke blai Durga hawa pulu badai na ke benta ke sorselong ki long chpotli ki sektor ki badon rupoi teli ki puja pandal la ki rupoi teli ki belawan banyasimenta hak ban pengam ye ki blai ki don sanpo arteli pat ki belawan na ki rosimet ki long hinyo teli ya kini kijing len yang puja kejong ki lasdang na do kasing tho deng jong arplai trek perkalap kot no hne kasngi nengkong na kiliang u nababata charji Presiden Central Puja Committee la pins ngobam menta kasnem ki bawan pengam ki ble hakwa umkra ki long ki baduna hakaba man na usnem ki judon arspa tli ki puja pandal hagajala kenthop East South but West Khas Hills District Ripoi District Janda Hills Badgar Hills Nalo ki blai thao na ki komti beper hag ni ka nongba ki donru ki bawan shimet na ka yeng kasem ban bret ne ban pengam umi ki blai thao ki jongki kat kum ka jinget jong kaniam Hindu
The Puja Committee to kindly bear in mind the SOPs as laid down by the government on the materials of social distancing, physical distancing and...
As far as rituals are concerned, we were not compromised on rituals, whatever rituals to the minute details. But due to the pandemic, we understand, as our General Secretary has already said, that the protocols were in place. The SOPs were in place, and I think the government of Meghalaya and the district administration, our protocol was one of the best in the country, which was prepared in discussion with us. So we have followed these protocols, as you can see. And you see, I want to highlight one thing. You see the environment. You see, they are all our workers, all our volunteers. Mr. Das, where he has gone. You see, they are the people who has taken care of this immersion ghat. And regarding environment issues, you see the condition of the river. Please take a... You see the condition. 35 idols have been immersed. We have already taken out many idols and it has already left this place. Picked up and already taken.
Okay. After that,
you please focus there. You see, no materials has been allowed to be thrown in the river. You please, if you kindly focus there.
All the waste. Puja waste are being there.
Be there. So tomorrow or this evening, they will be taken to Martin.
Okay. So after that, after the immerse, then take out.
Yeah, take out. Some we have kept because we don't want the water to take the flow out. To have some water in the immersion place. So this is the precaution. And water quality, I have already asked the Water Pollution Control Board before immersion. They have taken the sample. Tomorrow they will come and take the water sample and do the test. Then we will know what is the difference.
So East Khas Hills, how many pandals and puja?
I think 223 in East Khas Hills.
East Khas Hills is 122.
122.
Not Khas Hills.
Oh, Khas Hills.
Including Ripoi,
Jaintia and all.
So all are immersed here?
No. This is only for Greater Shillong.
Greater Shillong.
Yeah.
Excluding heavily.
Okay.
And one thing you see, that only Shillong, all this worshipper, idol worshipper has to immerse only here. These are designated immersion guard. We have requested all the idol worshippers to not to immerse any idol in any stream or river of Shillong and other parts of the here. Only designated, every year we have a designated here. Immersion guard here also. And you see that this is first time, as we decided, so far that protocol is concerned, that sanitation every 1 hour that we are sanitizing Mr. Nandi, he is in charge of the sanitization. He will speak.
Okay.
Every hour we are sanitizing the Mushni Bagh Ghat, so that no one will be affected. So it is very unique case. This time we are doing this thing.
So at the conclusion on the Vijayadashami day, on behalf of Central Puja Committee, I would like to convey our greetings to all sections of the people of Meghalaya for cooperating and making this Puja celebration in spite of the pandemic to be completed successfully. And here we are grateful to each and every individual. And I want to convey through your media that we are proud, we can show example to the rest of the country that all together, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and the community here, the indigenous community, non-indigenous, together we have shown that we are together, and how the successful completion of the puja itself proves that we can rise to every occasion and we have a strong foundation of harmony, amity and fraternity.
They came with maintaining all this protocol and all. They have already maintained whatever the protocol given by the state government. All public have come through the marks and all, making social distancing and all, and every puja pandals. They have maintained these all things.
We have maintained all the health protocols throughout during the puja, and public also, all those visitors who came, they have been learning this health protocols for last 8 months. So they have come prepared, and so it was very easy for us to make them understand about the pandemic around us. So they have done it very nicely with us. They were very cooperative, and we express, as our secretary says, we express our gratitude to the government for allowing us to observe at least this way the puja. It has ended very peacefully, and we expect that in future also such cooperations from the administration and our central